Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. Walk in, look at me there. What you need to do here is to showcase your hand, bring your hand out after some few seconds or few minutes, all right? Then you can now take your hand up, all right? Then you stay like that also for some few seconds or few minutes as well. Then the next thing is to bring your hand down. Look at it. Then you showcase your hand for few seconds as well. Then you can now walk out. All right.
Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Guys, welcome to your gallery as we create another video together. Click on CapCut. New project now, right? Import your video to workspace. Okay, the volume sign there, you want to click it as we silence the volume. Then we locate where we want this video to start from this point. We're going to be clicking it here now and make a split at this point here. All right, then you delete this first part, we don't need it again. Then you adjust your video. All right, adjust your video. Before you lift your hand, you make another split, locate where you want it to end. All right, before you walk out, click here and make another split. Delete this last part, we don't need it again. Mark anywhere now, click on overlay, add overlay. You import this your first effect. All right, click on splice guys. Then you click on filter there, click on filter, mark on this good, then you go back. Then you can expand it and position it. Let's play it, trim it a bit, click it and drag it back. Then let's play it now and see what we have got. Good. Then you click it, make that light to be at the point of your hand. Okay, then after that, this first part is ready. Let's play it to see what we have got. Good. This is nice. All right. I'm immediately at the end of the light. Click this one and trim it to be equal with the light. After then, now we want to do the second part by clicking on add overlay. You import your second light to the workspace. Still click on splice. All right. Click on filter. You mark on this good and go back. You expand the light, then you take time here and do your necessary adjustments so that when the hammer is coming, the hammer and your hand is going to play together. Look at what I am doing here. So you come down to do your adjustment. As you can see how I am adjusting my own. Look at the hammer there. So you do your adjustment so that when this hammer comes up, as it's coming down, it will end at the point of your hand. Look at it. Then after doing the adjustment here, as you can see, I'm still adjusting my own. By the time you get the perfect match of what we are looking for, we are going to be adding some brightness to the light, to the hammer, because you can see that the hammer is not that visible. All right, so at the end now, we are going to be adding some brightness to the hammer hand. Now it's at the point of your hand, but you want to click it to go and look for adjust. Let's add some brightness to it. All right, locate adjust, click adjust here, locate brightness, then you adjust it to 40 or thereabout. After then you click on contrast, still adjust it to 40 or thereabout. Then you mark on this good and go back. The hammer is now revealing. You can see it's now more bright, but click it. Let's duplicate it. All right, click and duplicate it. Then you click here and trim it to where the hammer is showing only. Then you drag it to align with this. You still click it to look for duplicate again. We are going to be duplicating it to cover our video because we still need to work with it. Then locate duplicate, then you duplicate it into 2 to cover your video. Then at this point, you can see when you bring your hand down, you are going to be using keyframe here, so that it will be that you are the one that pull the hammer down. So add keyframe here. So you are adjusting it, your hand is coming down, you are dragging the hammer to the point of your hand. Look at what I am doing. Drag the hammer to the point of your hand. This is what you are going to do until your hand is carrying the hammer and revealing. Look at what I am doing. So at this point, you add more one key, make it look good. All right. Then after making it look good, I think it is good now. Just take time to adjust it to be at the point of that your hand. Look at it. So here now, still click here and drag the hammer to the point of your hand. All right. Do it to be very good. So after doing it now, you still locate the last light and do the same thing. Still drag it to your hand. Look at the last light here. Still click it, drag it to your hand as well. Then after that, you want to click it now and trim it to be equal. As you can see that this one is longer. So after doing your necessary adjustment there, click this one, trim it to be equal. So at this point, I feel this video is ready, but we are going to be adding the sky part of the video after watching it to see whether it's good. But I feel this is nice, so we are going to be adding the sky part of the video. So you come down. After watching it now, we are going to be coming back. Come back to the beginning of the video. You click on add overlay, add this your sky, mark and bring it in. Then you want to go and look for a mask. After expounding it, look for mask. Click on mask here. Look at mask there. You want to be clicking on this mask to click on horizontal here. Click on horizontal, play with this feather icon. After playing with the feather icon, you are going to be marking on this good, guys. Then we are going to be going back, push it up, position it the way you want it to be. Then after that, we are still going to be clicking it to locate animation. All right, click it and look for animation. Click on animation, add fading. So add fading, you mark on the good and go back. At this point, I feel this video is ready, but click here as the sky did not cover. Let's duplicate it. Locate duplicate, you duplicate it. Then you click it and delete it as is more than now. Then you trim it to be equal with the video. So this video is completely ready now. So we are playing it to see what we have got at last. But as you are playing it now, remember to add your sound effects, your light effects, every other effect. Then after that, you export your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to add your sound and every other effect, DM me, as my number is at the description of this video. Then I am going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects. After that, now click on export here, guys. Then you allow the video to export completely. As you can see that the video is exporting. Just exercise patience for it to export completely. Now this video has installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But if you have any magic effects or capcut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. You are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.